Here's the new vented cover. Slides in a little look like that. It'll be pretty sharp. Goes very nicely with the existing colors of my Slingshot. I think this is the kind of a candy apple, and this is a little different color on the 2018, but I'm pretty happy initially how it looks. So what I have to do is put little risers in, and we'll get to that here in a second. Okay, we got two little spacers here. They're two different sizes, and by the way, the reason I'm bringing this up, there are no instructions shipped with the kit, and I believe the instructions are on the web, but on Sling Mods, but I'm a man, I don't read instructions. But obviously the longer spacer goes here, and the shorter one goes up here, and there's two taper head machine screws. Sorry for the jiggles, but it is a 3 millimeter is the size of this screw. So I'm going to go ahead and screw these in from underneath, so stand by. Okay, so the spacers are installed. I did use a little Loctite and a 10 millimeter wrench to get them good and tight. There's the long spacer, and there is the shorter spacer. And like I said, I used a little Loctite, 10 millimeter wrench on this side, and a 3 millimeter Allen wrench on the other side. Installed no drilling, nothing needed. So far so good. So the next step will be to put the vent back, to put the vent on it. Okay, again using a little Loctite on the screws, and there's provided plastic washers that are tapered. And now I'm just going to tighten up the top one here. I've already started them. Nice and snug. It's really good looking. I'm pretty impressed. There it is. Now I am going to go through these screws, I guess those are riveted. I was going to check and make sure they're tight, but those are rivets, so I guess they're on there, and they seem pretty tight. It's good looking. Let's drop the hood down. I think that's pretty sharp compared to that piece of crap plastic that they have. And now the heat will come out of the hood, especially when we do rides. When we park this thing, we can we don't have to pop the hood and let the heat out. Next step will be putting a full-blown header on and WP exhaust and a welder performance exhaust, and we'll be pretty happy with it. Okay, that's the end of my video.